The northern lights, or aurora borealis, paint the night sky with magical colors. These stunning displays occur when solar particles crash into Earth's atmosphere, creating vibrant greens, pinks, and purples. Children learn that this phenomenon can be seen in places like Norway and Canada. Beyond their beauty, auroras hold cultural importance for Arctic communities, sparking tales and legends. This script captures the wonder of experiencing nature's light show, encouraging young ones to dream of seeing these celestial wonders.